Now the Associated Press brings us the Dubai Future Foundation's 3D printed building.
Why 3D printing? Because it makes sense in terms of cost, in terms of time saving, in terms of efficiency. And we really believe that this technology will revolutionize the construction, development sector, as well as other sectors as well, like the medical sector, the consumable products. So basically the future will be 3D printed. I won't be surprised if in 20 years down the road, whole cities will be 3D printed. It's basically as if you are baking a cake and you're trying to apply some whipped cream on it. So basically the cement is being mixed with these special materials, which helps, as I mentioned, with fast curing. It's being poured in a nozzle, with basically the nozzle of the printer itself, and it's being printed layer by layer. And it basically takes 1 day to print one module, which is basically the major component of the building itself. They've been actually shipped and brought to Dubai, waterproofed, brought to the site of the construction, been assembled over a course of 2 days only. And again, all the integration of the MEP is done on site. We opened it 1 week ago. So we are working also in parallel with the regulatory authorities in terms of developing the world first regulatory framework, which basically addresses all the aspects of 3D printing when it's being used in construction sector. So you're looking at the safety aspects, the specifications of the materials being printed, the reliability of the building. So we are developing some sort of building code associated with 3D printing to be added to the building code of the city itself.
Continuing our construction odyssey, we'll travel to Urbana, Illinois. Hal, open the bay doors.
I'm sorry, Dave. I'm afraid I can't do that.
Siri, open the bay doors.
Right away, Todd.
The Horizon 360 Scan Matrix allows us to watch, learn, pilot, and implement new technologies. At the University of Illinois Real-Time and Automated Monitoring Control Labs, they are using computer vision with algorithms to give real-time analysis of required safety PPE. We see employees with no PPE tracked in red and with proper PPE tracked in green. This automated system can then be used to notify supervisors and safety representatives. From the labs into the field, near real-time crew activity tracking by job description, action performing, and tools being utilized. The body mechanics are also analyzed for safety and productivity. This system is currently using Amazon's Mechanical Turk. Here's a tool that we are piloting in Fiatech's Eye in the Sky project. This is a web-based platform provided by Reconstruct that continuously reconstructs and visualizes reality directly within 4D BIM. It measures progress and productivity and analyzes risks for delay. This pilot project is hosted at the Zachary Hospitality Landmark Embassy Suites project in San Antonio, Texas. Notice the bar at the bottom that represents the point cloud timeline. Each dot represents a different point cloud data set. Here we can select on the picture frame to view the picture associated with that part of the point cloud and take measurements from it. Using the deep zoom feature, we can zoom into the area of interest. Let's now select the distance tool from the measurement tool menu. Now I'll zoom out. And select the area tool from the measurement tool menu. As I navigate, you'll see that the measurements actually stay aligned with the point cloud. You can overlay your 4D BIM model with your 4D point cloud model. You're also able to use your location breakdown structure and WorkPack. This allows you to compare your planned BIM model with your as-built point cloud model. With the model browser, you're able to isolate any portion of your model. Now we'll take a look at some solutions that will blend augmented reality and cognitive computing. Athere and Scope AR are working on software suites that will work with a variety of smart glasses. This is an example of Athere system interacting with 3D model and allowing you to pull up augmented reality of models using paper plans, interacting with that 3D model. Here's Athere's vision of the system on a construction site.
Good morning, Todd. Here is today's weather and task list.
Review project blueprint, switch to 3D overlay. 2030 will bring contact lenses with these capabilities. Reviewing real-time step-by-step work procedures. Recording current site conditions. What will you see through the lens? Now imagine the possibilities.